sod cutter? Here! This is where I'm using the sod cutter. So I have made plans to put a putting green in my backyard. Got plenty of room. Gotta put something back here. It's gonna be about 400 square feet in total, and I think that should be big enough. And I'm really excited about this. I decided not to get too crazy with the shape of the green. I want it to be pretty easy to mow and something I can just knock out really quick when I have to. So got it all marked out and got the sod cutter here for about an hour and a half. Hopefully this doesn't kick my butt, and hopefully it gets the job done in the amount of time I paid for it. So with that, let's cut some sod. Well, the sod cutter is back to the rental place, and I have to say that if I had to choose any machine that I've ever rented before that sucks the most, it's a sod cutter. That thing's terrible. It takes forever to get acquainted with it and figure out just how it works, and then it just beats you up. It's not a very good relationship. It's not a healthy relationship. It's very abusive. But nonetheless, the job is done, it's returned, and now I'm left to clear out all the sod that I just cut up. So, got a lot of work to do here. It's a lot more than it looks, and the gorilla cart's gonna help a little bit, but I've also called in some backup. Well, we're a couple days past the incident here. We did have a little casualty and a little hiccup in the plans. It's not terrible. I've got it covered up right now. You can see it's pretty much gone. So gonna have that taken in tomorrow and get that window replaced. But until then, I've still got a pile of stuff here and a pile of stuff in the backyard that needs to be cleared out. So the plan now is to get as much out of the backyard as I can without the tractor. There is a gorilla cart full. As you saw, the kids were helping me without even being asked, which was pretty awesome. So I'm gonna bring that full gorilla cart out to this pile, dump it. Then I'm gonna go get the tractor back over here and get the rest of everything out of the back, and we should be good to go for the next step.